Hello, this is Karen Yancey with Online Learning Services at the College of St. Rose, and I'm going to show you how to use the mobile app TechSmith Capture. This app is very much like TechSmith Relay. It does screencasts, and you can upload your screencast videos to the TechSmith Relay library. So let's go into the browser and search Wikipedia for an article. Okay. Now we're going to go into the Pages app, create a document, and I can type. Now I'm going to exit the document and go into my presentation mode, my presentation app. I'm going to press play and go through my presentation. And leave the presentation. Now I'm going to go back